We're here at the Detroit Science Center for DAPCEP's STEM Day. We're going to have a bunch of 7th graders coming through here very soon, and they're going to be going through a variety of workstations where we're going to expose them to different aspects of what Brasscraft does.
This is trying to simulate house plumbing, but I need 2 volunteers to start with.
Plumbing is interesting because you can have 3 different ways of getting flow from point A to point B. And we kind of briefly talk about really complicated mechanical system and pressure here at the pipe maze. So students are challenged to find the most optimal path from the entrance of the maze to the exit of the maze.
Put it in there, and the water's going to be right here.
DAPCEP is a nonprofit. We've been around for 42 years. Our goal is to ensure that underrepresented students are prepared, motivated, and excited about science, technology, engineering, and math. Brasscraft is a new partner with DAPCEP, so they have volunteers here guiding students as well as some of their engineer staff teaching the students about the work that they do.
So today what we're teaching is the form of what we call electroplate, and it's really the science behind how parts are coated to help protect the surface as well as make them look good.
We're really excited about this opportunity because it exposes us to young people that could potentially be the employees of the future for us.
In the industry of Brasscraft, we control fluids, and all fluids are made up of molecules, but the molecules we're talking about today were gas. So this is a representation of a methane molecule. That combined with oxygen makes a nice explosion, which you use to heat your home. That's the valve shutting off.
It's like a little puff there, and then
Pow! It's a crazy day, but it's so fun to see the kids running around and talking to the staff and just learning about what they do, asking like amazing questions that really will help them go in depth and maybe possibly pursue this as a career. So yes, it's great.